Let's show! It's a giant burger! That's so good!
Alex! Alex?
Uncle, you're here too!
What is this place?
I know, maybe it's like Merkland or something else.
Let's find the exit together.
Yeah!
Maybe it's here. Oh, no. What is it?
Oh, what is it?
It's ingredients. We're gonna make a burger.
A giant burger! We need the bun. Next, we take the patty.
What is next?
Salad.
Okay.
Next, we need tomatoes. Cheese.
And
And we're done.
our burger is ready. And I think it's so yummy.
Yeah.
Alex, you know what? Let's make it healthy.
How?
We just need to change the bun to the cabbage. Now it's healthy.
And tasty. It's an exit.
Yes, let's go.
The exit is definitely there.
Let's break it. Are you ready? Wow! Look at this food.
This looks like a sauna room. Let's go explore.
Let's go.
I found the door, but it's locked.
We need to find the key.
Oh, there it is. I can't reach the key. I have an idea. Maybe we can fill the bottle of soda so the key can overflow.
Let's find the soda.
Yeah.
It's empty.
Uncle, look.
It's locked. But we need more soda. Yes. Let's go. Safety first.
I'm ready.
Alex, are you ready?
Yes.
Go! Where's the key? We have a key!
Yeah.
Let's go open the door. You ready?
Yeah.
Wow! Let's check. Wow!
Uncle, what is this? Let's clean it all up.
Let's go!
Done.
Yes. It's a potato!
Yeah. Uncle, this is just what we need.
It means crash and smash!
Safety first.
Go!
Wow.
Let's take bigger one!
Yeah.
Go! We did it! Let's go!
Let's do it.
Smells so good!
It's a pizza man.
Yeah, let's go! Hurry up!
It's a giant pepperoni. Yeah. Uncle, look.
Wow, Alex, let's make a pizza!
Yeah, pepperoni one. Are you ready, Uncle?
Yes! 1, 2, 3!
Now we have a real chef. Let's make a pizza.
Let's go! Okay. The next is cheese. It will be delicious. The next is pepperoni.
Let's do it.
Oh.
And now greens.
Okay.
Now it's time to bake it.
Okay.
Now we need to wait 15 minutes.
Okay.
Time is up. It's the exact same.
Alex, look!
Wow.
It's the door!
Wow.
Wow! Alex, look, it's a hot dog! It's a hot dog street!
This is what we need to do next. We've got mustard, ketchup, the buns.
But where are the sausages?
I don't know. It's right here.
What? We need to catch them!
Nowhere to hide.
Let me try.
Glitters.
I catch it! Yay!
Time to make a hot dog.
Right! Mmm, delicious!
Oh, it's an exit.
Yes, let's go! Hey! Next door! Let's go!
Wow.
It's a real kitchen!
Yeah, let's go into the kitchen. Look, Uncle, it's a top floor.
It's really giant! Look, Alex!
Fruit and vegetables?
Yeah, I know what to do. We'll make 2 salads.
Yeah, one fruit and one vegetable.
I'm gonna be a veggie ninja.
Fruit ninja.
Okay. Wow, it was awesome!
This is the healthiest thing we made today.
Yes, you're right. Oh, Alex!
We're home.
Yes, finally! So, Alex, what have you understood today?
If you want to be healthy, you gotta eat healthy food. Uncle, there's no ice cream in the fridge.
Don't be upset. Do you want some sweet and cold adventures?
Yeah!
So let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Wow!
Is it heaven?
It's just an ice cream store.
I will be first!
So many flavors. Would you like an excursion?
Yeah!
Go! Hi! Hello!
Let me show you what we have. Cotton candy, Listerollet toppings, frozen lemonade, milkshake machine.
Okay, guys, who's gonna be first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Come on,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna be first.
let's go.
Can I have a milkshake?
Do you wanna try to make something by yourself?
Yeah! Let's go! Yay! And now we have to mix it. Woo! It's marshmallow bar. Look, it's a big marshmallow. Wow, so cool. Ah! Yay! So tasty. Yeah.
What would you like?
I don't know.
We have everything you want.
Even pizza.
Yes, let's do it. First, we put the sugar inside the cotton candy machine.
Wow. Oh, big. So big. Let's decorate cotton candy pizza. Yay. Let's add some gummy bears. And ice cream. I have strawberry flavor. I have gumbo flavor. Yummy. Ooh.
Let's make something for me.
Okay.
Let's go. It's hard to make a choice. I know. I'll take each of them.
Okay, Uncle.
I'll take the strawberry.
Uncle, here you go.
Oh, please, thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's so yummy.
Thank you, Uncle, for this sweet adventure.
You're welcome, kids.
Uncle, can I try?
No.
Hey, wow. It's sweet stuff. Let's get it started. Yeah. Wow, cool. Ice cream. You like the strawberry? I like this one. Okay, the pineapple and mango. Yummy. Which one do you like? I like this one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Chris. Welcome. Yummy. Oh, I just bagel. Wow. Yummy. Wow, chocolate fountain. Okay, let's eat it. Let's go. Yay. I think that's so tasty. What? Yeah. Michael, check. Maybe Uncle's coming. Okay.
Cookies.
It's okay, Chris. Wow! Smoothie. So good. Yeah. Let's go. Wow! Honey candy. I want this one.
I'm late.
No. Uncle's coming. Hi.
The door is open? Who is there? Aha! Catch you! I see you. Come here. So, kids, what are you doing here?
We just want to check what's inside.
No problem, kids. I'm gonna show you. Let's go. So, kids, let's bake something.
We want cupcake. Yeah, we want cupcake.
No problem. Let's crack an egg first.
Yeah.
Now we need to add some flour and sugar. Now we're gonna add some cream cheese, little bit water, and a pinch of salt. And now we have to mix it.
Okay. It smells so good. It's a vanilla flavor.
Correct. It's more.
Please. Uncle, what's next?
We're gonna bake it.
Yay!
Oh. Okay, kids, cupcakes are ready. Let's decorate them.
Yeah.
Choose your favorite color.
I want this.
Wow, it's so bright and beautiful.
Yeah. Now it's my turn. So beautiful. Wow, that is so cool, Uncle.
Let's add some sprinkles.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's try them.
Yes! I want to take this one.
So yummy. We have donuts ahead.
We love donuts! Wow! Donuts!
Let's color the glaze for the donuts.
Yay! Let's decorate it with green gonna be good. Let's try it. Yes.
Boys, a lot of sugar. Not healthy for you.
Okay. Okay.
So kids, did you have fun?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh, my break is over. And I have to work. And it's time for your homework.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bye-bye, Mr. Uncle. Let's go play another game. Yes. Let's go.